Welcome back, folks. Thank you all for staying tuned to our videos. We're back with another insightful video related to EpicEHR. And it's EpicEHR data migration. Well, EpicEHR data migration is pretty understandable. However, confusion arises when hospitals or healthcare organizations leverage EpicEHR customization. And this is what I want to discuss in this video. Let's begin then. Customizing EpicEHR offers multiple benefits to healthcare entities. However, in customizing EpicEHR to cater specific needs of healthcare organizations, stakeholders must ensure accurate and seamless data migration. This often comes across as a challenge for stakeholders. Before I tell you about how to seamlessly migrate data from legacy systems to EpicEHR, let's understand Epic data migration first. Epic data migration, in simplest terms, transferring data from existing EHR system to EpicEHR. Moreover, healthcare entities leveraging EpicEHR customization are at risk of losing crucial patient information. So, for successful Epic data migration, stakeholders require an experienced team and adopt best practices. When I say best practices, I mean what stakeholders must consider during data migration. Stakeholders must first discover and analyze the legacy data. Then understand the difference between legacy and target data. They must separate data migration process from business changes. And only think about all data. They must also evaluate the impacts of data migration, both direct and indirect. Ensure compliance and oversee changes in data. By adopting these practices, I'm sure stakeholders can achieve success in data migration process. Moving on. Healthcare entities must consider these factors when migrating data to EpicEHR. Number 1 is data compatibility. Data compatibility involves ensuring transfer of data from legacy system to EpicEHR system without any loss. Number 2 is ensuring legacy data is accurate and proper for migration. Number 3 is customizations and integrations, which is modifications required by EpicEHR system as per organization's needs. Number 4 is interface inventory. This means taking stock of existing interface and designing the new interface. Number 5 is data backup and recovery, which involves backing up the data before migration in case of loss. Now that you know the factors, it's time to share some tips for smooth transition of data from legacy to customized EpicEHR. Tip 1 is phased implementation. This means with the help of an experienced team of migration experts, stakeholders have to plan a phased approach to minimize disruptions in migration. Tip 2 is testing and validation, which is all about the rigorous testing before and after migration. Tip 3 is communication strategies. Stakeholders must ensure transparent communication with members and other stakeholders throughout the process. Tip 4 is data backup and rollback plans. Stakeholders must understand the importance of backing up data using tools and methods offered by Epic. By applying these tips, healthcare organizations leveraging customized EpicEHR can smoothly migrate data and benefit from high-value features of Epic. This brings us to the end of the discussion. Since EpicEHR customization is a complex process, it's essential that data migration process is streamlined and seamless. Leveraging these tips will surely make a difference in Epic data migration process. Moreover, for more details on Epic data migration, you can visit www.osplabs.com. Until then, stay tuned.